Coster Pagers. You've probably been handed one while waiting for a table at a restaurant.
Well, now those gadgets are also showing up at medical facilities around the city, being built as a way to ease the pressure of packed waiting rooms. Laura Tupper reports now on how they seem to be working.
How are you? Good. Eric, we're going to get you going for your Holter monitor.
It's a simple prescription to relieve a clogged waiting area at the Mazankowski Heart Institute. These Coster Pagers are handed out to patients, allowing them to leave the clinic, even the building.
I've seen various reactions, and it's at, like Olive Garden.
Administrators say the concept works best for patients who have multiple appointments throughout the day.
It can be a long day for these patients.
The Pagers are also welcomed by people waiting for relatives during lengthy surgeries.
This gives them the freedom to go out, maybe have coffee, to have lunch, with the security of knowing that they will be paged when either the loved one's out, when the physician's out to speak to the family about the surgery.
The Pagers work within an 80-kilometer radius. They're also being used at the Stollery. And the buzz around town is they could soon catch on at other medical facilities.
Anybody providing healthcare or healthcare services, definitely we've looked at.
Citipage, the local company that supplies the gadgets, has approached walk-in clinics and nursing homes in efforts to sell the concept there.
There's been a huge issue of wait times. There's been huge issues of that environment and how that impacts the region, and we've been able to be proactive in coming out with a solution.
Citipage says the Pagers are fairly inexpensive at a cost of around $10 per month for each unit.
I'm just going to get ready to wait for a long time.
With the recently reported crisis in wait times at Edmonton emergency departments, family members of patients say that's where the Pager should show up next.
It'd be nice to be able to go off and do my own thing until then and get her whatever she needs.
Reg Cook also likes the idea.
My mother, she's in for some x-rays, and I really have no idea on the timing that's going to be until she's out, so it's just going to be trial and error. So if they did have some method to page me, that would be a good idea.
And now the patient is paged.
Health officials agree the Pagers could make a lot of sense for the family members of ER patients.
Could it be used? You know what? I don't see why not. There might absolutely be a time and a place for it.
For now, the Pagers are a welcome tool at the Mazankowski, making what can be a trying time for patients and their families just a little easier.
You're going to hang on to this pager, okay? Because we need to call you again when the doctor's ready for you.
Laura Tupper, CTV News, Edmonton.
And health officials say they're also pleased with the use of the Pagers because it eliminates the need to call out patients' names. That helps to protect their privacy.